guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing a nice creamy rich carrot and pumpkin juice. Now my neighbor gave me a nice size pumpkin yesterday and I said no man, I have to get started with making some juice for you guys. So we're going to be using, for the milk, we're going to be using coconut and almond with a variety of different spices. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and most of all, try it and subscribe to our channel, right? Let's get straight into this. Starting with our carrot. What I'm gonna do, I'm not going to throw away the seed. I'm just gonna save it and plant it. So nice way you can get rid of the middle section is to use a spoon. And to cut my pumpkin, I like to just set it on an angle because I don't want to use the green part, right? Cut it in half to let it be more manageable. Now that we're finished extracting the pumpkin and the carrot, what we're going to do now is to go ahead and blend the almond and coconut. No worries, with your clean hand you can go ahead and assist in squeezing out the coconut milk and the almond. Before I sweeten, I like to strain everything one last time just to remove any additional fiber, right? The spice that I'll be using is cinnamon powder, nutmeg. You want to use enough to give it flavor, not for anybody to say, oh no, they don't like the juice, the taste of the juice, because you overuse the nutmeg. What we're going to do is to add some salt just to bring up those flavors, right? And also some vanilla. Now the vanilla is optional, it's just up to your personal need. See how nice and rich everything is looking already. That is how I like it, right? Alright, we're going to go in with our sweetener, and you want to sweeten to taste, okay? You want to put this in the fridge as well to chill and serve it cold. Yes, man. Nice, healthy, refreshing juice. And already, let me tell you something, the carrot is sweet, so you don't even have to over sweeten this thing. I'm telling you, oh my God. And the milk, I think it wants a little bit more salt just for the flavor. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.